Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Draw a rectangle or a cylinder depending on the style of holder you want. A cylinder gives it a more classic cup-like look, while a rectangle can look more modern and sleek. If you want your holder to have a 3D look, draw a slide at the top and bottom of the cylinder or box. This helps create of depth. For the cylinder, draw an oval at the top, making sure it with the rest of the shape. For the box, sketch out the top buds and sides to show it's open. To add a realistic turf, lightly shade the inside of the holder and the sides, especially if it's cylindrical. Also add slight shading to the pens and pencils to make them stand out. Finishing touches, clean up any stray lines and add some highlights where light might hit the surface to make the drawing pop. And that's it. You are drawn a simple yet functional pen and pencil holder. I hope you enjoyed following along. Thanks for watching this video.